Hello guys and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset your Kraken account password. If you've forgotten your password and want to set a new one, let me guide you through the process. Step 1. Go to Kraken on. First, open the Kraken app or head over to kraken/kraken.com. On the homepage, you'll see an option to sign into your account. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. Once the page loads, click on Sign In. Top, you'll see the option to Forgot Password. Click on that to proceed. Step 3. Enter your email address. Next, enter the email address associated with your Kraken account. After entering your email, click Continue. Step 4. Check your email for the reset link. Kraken will send you a password reset link to your email address. Open your email and look for the message from Kraken. Click on the Reset Your Password link inside the email. Step 5. Create a new password. Once you click the link, you'll be redirected to the Kraken website or app. Here, you'll need to create a new password. Be sure your new password meets Kraken's security requirements. Step 6. Save your new password. After entering the new password, retype it to confirm. Check the box to acknowledge that you understand the change, and click Save. Conclusion: your password has now been reset. You can now log into your Kraken account with your new password. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.